Heritage. Urhobo Heritage is dedicated to publishing content that relates to the learning of the Urhobo language and culture, and everything that pertains to Urhobo people generally. On Mondays, you shall be having the word of the day coming to you, and both as video and as post. And hope to make it as interactive as possible. Then on Wednesdays, phrases for everyday conversation shall be coming your way, where we shall be talking about how to speak, the phrases to use to talk about different things in different contexts, different scenarios. Yeah, we'll be publishing content on that on Wednesdays. Then on Fridays, we shall be having the proverb of the day coming your way. Proverb of the day will come your way on Fridays. Then on Sunday, a Talaro will be coming your way. A Talaro is a religious program that aims to publish soul-lifting content in the Urhobo language, and it shall be coming your way on Fridays. Right? And Tuesdays and Thursdays or Saturdays, you shall be having content related to general Urhobo cultural practices or any news worth sharing about Urhobo people that will bring togetherness and the forward movement of the Urhobo people. They shall be coming your way on this day, that is Tuesdays or Thursdays or Saturdays. Or if there's anything you would like us to talk about, please come on, use the contact on the screen to reach out to us, and we see how we can incorporate everything that you have suggested. And of course, you can help what we are doing, because we aim to carry out deep research into the Urhobo language and culture and everything that pertains to us. There is the need for field work and also to get more people on board to curate more content. Really want to make this channel as rich as possible for us today and for the posterity to come. Wadome watu takuwa na yese ongene chowele omoro mashone ukuli burago the data state in Nigeria, Africa, umevena wado.